Now, this is for demonstration purposes. I have a whole other account where I spend thousands per day on for TrafficJunky. I don't want to blur out my campaigns and everything every single time because I show this website a lot. Building campaigns is the easy part. Finding good offers and building good funnels and making things highly convert. Now that is the key. Persuasion is first. And then marketing is so easy. You just literally get in front of people and you start split testing campaigns and ads and all these things, and then you have a winner. But the offer comes first. Okay, so we'll talk about that for sure. We are only 8 days into the month and it's got tons of offers. This video would be, you gotta know the numbers. If you want to be making a 6x ROI, that's $500 into ads and you make $3,000 back. If you want to make 3x ROI, then that's going to be $1,000 a day in ads and then $3,000 back. Now, there are ways to make way more money back, and Crack Revenue is really good with this. Every single one of your links, it's already turned on and everything. You earn money from back button redirects, and you earn money also from pop unders. People just get pop unders naturally, and they sell the traffic. Crack Revenue does. It's really powerful. Some offers you want to promote on TrafficJunky, just that's here right now. There's a bunch of other networks, guys. You don't have to do adult marketing at all. You just can take advantage of the cheapest traffic in the entire world with no restrictions. Direct link. Now, direct link works a lot. These landing pages, they're optimized very, very well. But if you do a pre-sale lander and it converts higher, then do that. Pre-sale landers I built for you guys in the Done For You service. People are loving it. It's crazy. What offer here? We're going to talk just about what offer here is the best offer just for TrafficJunky. Now, all these can work. There's something you got to know is very saturated offers like these top offers, for example, right here being showcased. They are promoted the crap load out of. So the best way to do it is free traffic. This will work with paid traffic right here. This will work with paid traffic in a way. Like it's kind of saturated, kind of not. I believe this one works really well. Any gaming offer in general can work really well. Pill offers can work really well if you want to stay into the adult niche. But if you want to branch out and do a mainstream offer like the wealth niche from ClickBank or Digistore and promote one of these make money offers, they work really good because everyone wants to make more money. Even I want to make more money. Even you want to make more money. Even a nun wants to make more money. The love niche, the relationship niche, that's what this is, and it works. Sorry, my nose is so itchy. The health niche works too. So there's those 3 niches. Now you can also do drop shipping with adult marketing. You guys can absolutely crush it. It's extremely powerful. E-commerce is huge. Probably bigger than any other freaking way of making money in a lot of ways. But the barrier to entry is pretty high. You have to do a lot of fulfillment. You have to deal with profit margins that are kind of slim, but the conversion rates can be a lot higher. And if you create a no-brainer irresistible offer, guys, like that's crazy. If you create an irresistible offer with digital product or several or even ebooks connected to a physical product as a bundle, you all of a sudden have more increased value. I wouldn't necessarily recommend combining a bunch of physical products together though. That can increase the cost, but in some ways that can also work. It's just they got to have an option of one or the other. You got to have an option of either the bundle or the one-off product. Some people just want the one product. And so you got to give people the option. And that's very advanced. No one's going to tell you that in e-commerce. Sometimes your e-commerce upsells should be a more better, faster shipping or even more quality shipping, stuff like that, even though it may not or may be. That's just more money. It doesn't need to be high priced. It can be $5 or $9. So if you want to advertise on this infamous website, there's a lot here of websites. You basically add a creative real quick for demonstration purposes. I already have a creative for this account. Now you do desktop, 300 by 250, and desktop because you want to sell something. And desktop breaking traffic works best with selling stuff. Mobile traffic's good for awareness or collecting leads. Don't forget this. If it's gay traffic, do gay traffic. If it's straight traffic, do straight traffic. I stay away from the gay traffic personally. But this is a cool feature they have now is male versus female. So you can basically do a female offer, whether it be for brand awareness or for selling something direct response. That's really powerful to understand the difference of, guys. And you add it. You're all set there. Then you skip everything else. Boom, 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 boom. Position, you can select whichever one you want, but you could do all. And then just create it. Most times you do want to do desktop though, if you want to sell something. It converts better. So now you'd want to get a link. There's your link. You're going to want to select your creatives. It's super easy. I recommend have freaking 3 to 5 images to split test. But if you want to do any more, you're going to need a higher budget. And most times it doesn't make a significant difference. You just want to know out of a few ads, which one does the best. And then you want to know what placements are doing the best for you, of course. So is Pornhub the best one for you? Or all these other different sites you're going to be advertising on? Which one's the best? You got to know how to look at your data. You set your bid at $20 if you want. Or if the offer pays 60, just do $60. See if you get 2 conversions or more. And you're starting to flip cash quick, starting to make more money back than what you're spending. That's the key. If you guys want to learn free traffic methods, go check out other videos. Click confirm campaign, you're all set.